Hi guys, welcome to Rad Dad Toolbox. Today we're going to show you how to use something you may or may not know how to use. The stud finder. Dang, didn't go off. Let's get started. Okay, today we're going to use the Zircon, right there, Stud Sensor Pro SL. And it has a little button on the side right here. It's got a little clip you can use. You can attach it to the wall with some Velcro strips, and then it just unclips down here at the bottom, and it takes a 9-volt battery. Pretty simple piece of equipment, usually really cheap. Get it at Home Depot or Lowe's. All right, so to use this, we're gonna push the button on the left, and we're simply gonna slide it across the wall until, and you can tell right there is where it starts, and right there is where it ends. Pretty easy stuff. Now let's do advanced. Push the button, green light lights. We go across. There's one there. And they're usually about every 18 to 24 inches. Let's see where the next one is. Oh yeah. There you go. And we're right down the center of it. Pretty simple stuff. Now in slow motion. Wow, look at that sunset. Pretty nice tonight. Hey, hopefully you found that really helpful. And as always, if you liked what you saw tonight, please subscribe. And if you would, please hit and pound that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Until next time, thanks for joining us. And can you do it? Abso-flippin'-lutely.